Constitution says you cannot try anybody unless the law is written. Show me written law. Show me written law. Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try rubbish. Don't try rubbish. Useless people. You don't know law. You don't know law. Your own constitution you don't respect. People judgment you don't respect. Then why we the court? Why we the court of law? I ask. Your constitution says you cannot try anybody unless the law is written. Show me the written law. Show me the written law. I want to know the written law.
Talk to me now. Why are you pushing me?
Show me the law.
Are you okay?
Don't go close.
I don't know anywhere.
Your man,
very wonderful. No, nothing. Max. Yes.